Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Macon County in west central Georgia, Peach County in central Georgia, central Houston County in central Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Louis, or near Fort Valley, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Perry, Fort Valley, Warner Robins, Centerville, Byron, Marshallville, Robins Air Force Base, St. Louis, Maverdale, Sandbed, Houston Lake, Lakewood, Powerville, Bonaire, Miami Valley, Kathleen, and Moss Oak. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.